this video. So, actually, this topic that we're going to tackle is a subject or topics na tinatakal sa old curriculum ng senior high school department. So, since nagbago na yung curriculum, but still, itong mga ganitong topics are tinatakal pa rin sa, for instance, sa life and career skills, which is yung pumalit doon sa tinatawag natin na PPG, which is Philippine Politics and Governance. So, we're going to discuss some key concepts, which is essential doon sa topics na yon. And I'm pretty sure na some student na that going to pick like POSA in their future course that will need to understand these key concepts. So first things first, one of the important concept in the study of PPG, which is part of life and career skills now, is the concept politics. So what is politics? So politics is not just about government. Actually, whenever someone is asked or nakita nila yung word na politics, ang tumatakbo sa isipan nila is government. But not. Actually, politics is not just limited to government. For every competition, kumbaga pag may competition between humans, there's an politics. For instance, sa loob ng bahay niyo, sino yung maghugas ng pinggan? And you decided na yung kuya mo or yung ate mo yung maghugas kasi nakapaghugas ka na kahapon. And there's a politics here. So, and also inside the classroom, sino yung magiging presidente nyo, sino yung maglilinis ngayon, everything that requires argument, requires understanding or talking with someone or competition, that's politics. So, politics also covers political dynamics in all contexts. What we mean by political dynamics? So, political dynamics is how the power is changing. Kumbaga, di ba, I'm talking about like, you decided na yung kuya mo yung maghugas ng pinggan kasi nakapaghugas ka kahapon. So, there is a political dynamics because you have the authority or nagkaroon ka ng power na i-choose siya at siya yung tumanggap sa gawain na yun because there's a political dynamics. So, in short, political dynamics is about how the power changes, how the authority is given to someone, and how that person works that power. For example, if a government is the chessboard, political dynamics is the actual game. The moves, sacrifices, and the strategies. Yun yung political dynamics. So, sa politics is more fundamental than governments. Kumbaga, yung politics happens even though walang presidente o walang namumuno. Kaya nga, politics happens everywhere. And according kay Harold Laswell, para mas maintindihan, politics is the study of who gets what, when, and how. That is politics. Now, let's move on to another concept. We have political power. So, what is political power? So, according kay Ruskin et al. 2017, political power is the ability of one person to get another to do something. So, it is about control. It is about authority. Kasi you can't make someone do something without having influence or without having authority over that person, di ba? So the power, key ideas here are power is the shaping behavior, getting people to do what they wouldn't normally do. And sometimes they even think it was their idea. So, political power, kumbaga, kung yung political dynamics is how the power is distributed, then the political power is the power itself. Yung dinidistribute or sino nakakakuha sa power. Yun yung political power. So, and also political power is not just limited in government. Same with politics kasi even in the household, may political power. Like someone has the ability to make another person to do whatever they wanted them to do. According to Aristotle, he called politics as the master science because polis, decision, govern everything. Ano ba yung polis? Yung polis is, yan yung Greek city-state. Yung city-state kumbaga nung time ni Aristotle, which is every decision that has been made by polis can affect everything and it can govern everything. Kumbaga, it can affect the economy, it can affect the people. That's why polis govern everything. And that is politics. Kasi every decision we made includes politics, di ba? So, it is built into human condition, not accidentally. So, political power is built into human condition. It is the people who made it and not accidentally. So, That is a political power. How the power, how having an authority is being willed. Yun yung political power. So, let's move on. We have government. Kung ano ba yung government? So, yung government is from the Greek word gobernare, which means to steer or to pilot ship. So, it simply means that government is the one who drives the authority. They are the one who has the right to control people by what means. Sino ba yung nagpapatatag ng mga batas, mga laws? It's the government, di ba? Sila yung gumawa. Which is we follow those rules without knowing why. It's because it's a rule, di ba? So that is actually a political power. So it simply means government is the center of political power. They are the one who holds the authority. They are the one who controls or sail the ship. So government is used to describe both the body that has authority in a given unit, whether national, regional, or local. Even sa local ka kasi meron tayong mga barangay. Barangay chairman, kagawad, mga ganun. Which is, they have authority. And that is government. Government is the one who wield the will of the nation. So, there's many types of government actually. We have democracy, autocracy, dictatorship, and many other types of government. But in the Philippines, actually, is the main types of our government is democracy, which is we choose our leaders. We are the one who give power to the leaders, and that is a form of our government. So it was first studied by Aristotle. Government actually, yeah, and we have political science. Pol Sci. So, political science actually, di ba, may manarinig tayong kurso na Pol Sci, which is political science. Kung ano ba yung political science? According kay Aristotle, political science is the queen of science. Why is that? Because because it studies power and it affects all other fields. So, yung political science kasi it studies the power and like how the political power is distributed, the forms of government, many other things. Kumbaga, yung tinakal natin na yung political power, political dynamics, government is being studied by political science. So we can say that political science is the study of those previous terms. So, political science is the study of nature, distribution, dynamics of power. So we have described power as the ability to make people do what you want them to do. That is power. That is being studied in the political science. And how actually hindi lang chismis or opinion lang yung ginagamit sa political science. It uses data, statistics, math, surveys, evidence. Dapat balance or theoretical balance yung mga studies sa political science. So, but political science is not a training ground to be a politician. Kumbaga, it's just a study that will help us to understand the political morality and kung ano ba yung tama at mali sa politics. The goal of political science is calm, objective analysis of politics and political morality. And that is the key concept. So, political science is not necessarily training to become a politician according to Ruskin 2017 because political science is just about understanding the morality and what is right and what is wrong. So, I guess that is all the necessary concept that we must understand when we are studying our government, the power, and an essential topics din para sa mga senior high school students. Thank you, and if you want to learn more and understand more, just click the subscribe button and we'll learn new things together. Thank you.